Bullish Algorand Algo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.9 to $12,885 and $0.72 by 2030. Market examiners accept Algo could reach $0.710 by 2025. Negative Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.1602291. Algorand Algo presentation. The Algorand Algo digital currency has experienced issues ascending past its ICO values since its beginning in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's digital money framework. The cost of Algo flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has consequently lost most of these additions, experts and sites that estimate costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparative levels. What follows for the altcoin then at that point? We should look at the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and analyze its cost advancement. What is Algorand Algo? The Algorand blockchain, which plans to answer the catch-22 of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local money. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks by means of an agreement method called unadulterated evidence of stake. How much Algo a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval panel are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Micali of the Massachusetts Foundation of Innovation MIT, and its blockchain and neighborhood money appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost in a flash fell a day after presentation. Algorand Algo major investigation. In June 2019, Algo sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the principal day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the resulting months, hitting a low of $19 on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the $10 billion symbolic stock that would be conveyed step by step. Algorand said that $3 billion Algo will be sold at public closeout throughout the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Regardless of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the huge measure of Algo and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more possible calculate the breakdown of the value of Algo's cash was private financial backers. Financial backers bought Algo by means of private situation adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of $0.05 and $1.50. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $16, permitting individual financial backers to make huge increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fangfang addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early supporters had presented the drive to exorbitant dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as per worldwide coin exploration. Algorand Algo specialized investigation. Subsequent to being added to Coinbase, the cost of Algo's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about $30. Throughout the accompanying year and a half of exchange, Algo attempted to get past the $50 limit, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, regardless of a couple of increments. The cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year, the token supported this development, ultimately hitting a long-term high of $9.71. Like the previous cost fall of Algo, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins join the dauntlessness of government-issued money with the decentralized qualities of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a cutthroat option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the momentary currency market exchanging stage Instamatch worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with a large number of dollars of exchanges like clockwork. Algorand is right now worth $2,863. Algo has moved 129% as of now with an exchanging volume of $41,689,858. Algorand is right now positioned 52 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,530,710,132. Using the overall strength list RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity MACD from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand Algo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Algorand Algo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Algorand Algo Value Forecast 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Algo. The Algo cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $342.95. Likewise, with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $184,009 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of $243,436. Algorand Algo Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Algorand Algo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform $5.758. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Algo's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Algo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.45,727 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.4062.99. Algorand Algo Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.71022 and Algo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Algo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.649 and a low of $0.680 in 2025. Algorand Algo Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that Algorand effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the Algo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Algo will be green in 2026. The Algo is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $928.85, with a base cost of $811,453 and a typical cost of $850 in 2026. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Algo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $105 by 2027, with a base cost of $101 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Algo has a greatest value worth of $112. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $126. In the event that Algo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.32. Neglecting to assemble the help Algo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.22. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2029. While Algo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.42 and a yearly cost close above $1.52 in 2029. Algorand Algo